In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a CapCut project between devices. If you've ever started editing a video on one device and wished you could seamlessly continue on another, this tutorial is for you. CapCut's Cloud Sync feature makes it easy to access your projects across multiple devices, but there are a few important steps you need to follow to ensure everything transfers smoothly. Whether you're working on a quick edit or managing a complex project, I'll guide you through the process so you can switch devices without missing a beat. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into CapCut on both devices using the same account credentials. This step is crucial because the Cloud Sync feature only works when both devices are signed into the same CapCut account. If you don't have a CapCut account yet, you can quickly create one using the app. And if you're new to CapCut, check the description for a link to get started. Next, on each device, check the profile icon in the top corner of the CapCut app to verify that you're logged into the correct account. It's important to make sure the username and profile picture match what you expect. If you notice that the account is incorrect, simply log out and sign back in using the right credentials. Now, on the first device, navigate to the main screen of the CapCut app. Once you're there, locate and click on an option labeled either Project Sync or Spaces. This is CapCut's Cloud Hub where your projects are stored and made accessible for syncing between devices. Depending on your version of CapCut, the name of this option might vary, so don't worry if you see a slightly different label. After that, give CapCut a moment to synchronize your projects to the cloud. The app automatically uploads your saved projects to your account, so you don't have to do anything manually. However, keep in mind that larger projects, especially those with lots of video assets, may take a little longer to sync. Be patient and wait for the upload to complete before moving on. Now, switch over to your second device. Open CapCut and log in using the same account credentials you used on the first device. Once you're signed in, navigate to the same Project Sync or Spaces section, just like you did earlier. At this point, you'll need to wait for your synced projects to appear in the list on the second device. If you don't see the latest project immediately, don't worry. It might take a few moments for the sync to fully complete. Just give it some time, and the project should show up shortly. Once the project appears in the list, click on it to download it to your second device. This will allow you to open the project in CapCut and continue editing right where you left off. Before diving into your edits, take a moment to verify that all your changes, transitions, and effects are present in the project. This ensures that everything's synced properly and that your project is fully intact and ready for further work. And that's it. You can repeat this process as needed for additional devices or projects. Just remember, both devices must have CapCut installed and be logged into the same account in order for the sync to work. So now you know exactly how to share your CapCut projects between devices seamlessly. If you have any questions or need help with a specific step, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.